What's the deal? Alright, back on the Regal. Show y'all what I got going on right quick. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Got everything broke down. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I should've showed y'all how much gunk had been built up in this motor. And y'all see these little drain holes? I didn't even know it was one right here. It was stopped up. I had this one back here was stopped up full of oil. I think I had one over here that was stopped up. And then right here under the valve cover, back here in this corner, let me see if I can show y'all. It's a drain hole. I can't even get back there with the camera. But it's a drain hole back there that's supposed to let the oil drain after it run down here. Supposed to run down, go back down here and drain back in here and through one of them holes. They wasn't draining. So we hoping that was the cause of why the old Regal used to smoke here and there. So now that I got all the gunk out, everything clean, all the drain holes draining, gonna start putting everything back together. And hopefully that leak will be fixed and he won't be smoking no more. Yes, sir. Got everything else over here. Got my valve covers nice and clean already. All them was full of gunk on the inside. Two, y'all, for some reason. Every time I'm doing something right or good, I see these numbers and I just say thank you, Jesus. Because I've been told 222 is like an angel number, so I always see that number, y'all. It always pop up somewhere. Yep, got my valve covers. Got my intake over here nice and clean. Everything ready. I started to paint it for him, but he said he wasn't really tripping off all that. He really trying to get it back on the road for Jamal Funeral Services, you know. So y'all don't know who that is. That's one of our partners that lost his life, you know, due to some, I ain't gonna even speak on it, but yeah, man, the old Regal. I'll try to get this boy back on the road real quick, let y'all know what's up.